Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can solve the low sound problem in your Lenovo tab. Okay, so let's start the video. First, you have to go to your settings. Then you have to scroll down and here you can see the sound option. So you have to click on sound option. So here in the first option you can see launch app. So just click on this launch app. And here you can see in graphic equalizer down here below all the columns are very low, that is the decibel. Sound option is very low, so you have to extend it to its higher limit. So I have extended all these and now you can see that your sound will increase in your Lenovo tab. And so this was the way how you can increase the sound. And if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.